we are at Chateau Lily on Friday the 6th of November.
Chez Lily.
Chez Lily.
That means at the house of.
The house of, I know that. I remember my French for secondary school. Campbell High School in Paisley did me some
Your
good.
French was laughing at it. No. Roll your R's, Stuart. Laughing at it. No. Roll your R's, Stuart. Okay.
I always had problems rolling my R's, but there you go. Let's move. We're going to go for a wee wander into the city, I think. Go for a wee drive. It's number 2. What, Roy's? Number 2. I think the hedge is grown a bit wild there, Roy. Yeah, it's a bit like Ronnie's haircut. Last time I saw it.
A bit like past Bullen a bit.
Well, you property magnates, you know what you're like, mate.
Yes, this is here as a bottle brush.
A who?
They'd say in Glasgow, a bottle.
A bottle. And that is the first property on the Royal Lily property management folio, so maybe in a couple of years when I get back here again you'll own half a Perth.
That might be the case here, I don't know.
Ah, at least the car's still there. Is this just not the business? We are in the Mindarie Marina. Is this north of Perth or south of Perth, Roy?
From north.
North of Perth, there we go. Sitting here in a little cafe bar waiting for a couple of coffees to be delivered.
Yes.
And just
couple of Joe toffees.
couple of Joe toffees. Oh yes indeed. And look at the houses over there, yeah, a bit of money here. And all these marinas around here are money. And it is a beautiful day, which helps. 4 o'clock on the afternoon of Friday the 6th of November. And the light's fading ever so slightly, a bit cloudy, a bit overcast, but we're up here to take a look around from a long distance of Perth city centre. Mighty impressive looking, eh? And that kind of saddle-shaped building in the middle is the convention centre. In the middle there, I don't know whether you can see it or not too clearly, is the wheel that I was on yesterday. The wheel of Perth. I think that was a bit of thunder in the mouth. And there is the mighty Swan River. And this is my last full day in Perth. It's been fun being with Roy and Betty. But tomorrow it's on to Melbourne. So we're up here at the King's Park looking for one last look around. And it's still covered in flies. They're everywhere. They're here as well. What do you reckon, Roy? A long way down. Says that. You wouldn't fancy bungeeing off this, mate? Quick look over the edge here.
You've got your head in the ground, don't you?
Oh no, thank you. I need water to fall into. Well, that's Perth for you. It's been a lot of fun. Be back again one day. Viewed from a different angle. Perth skyline. Swan River. And there is a little bit here. And Roy in front of it, that's Bull Creek over there. And further up the river and up that direction, eventually we come to Fremantle, where I was the other day looking at the Bon Scott statue. I'll tell you what, I've had a lot of fun here in Perth. Much respect and lots of thanks to Roy and Betty for their kind attention and looking after me while I'm here. Hopefully we'll be able to do the same for them. Take them to Scotland sometime. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that was Perth. Lovely city. We're flying out to, or should I say I am, flying out to Melbourne in just over 3 hours. I thought, do you want to go with me? Like,
No,
you trying to say something?
You go yourself.
Oh, thanks a lot. How ungrateful and ungracious is my host that he doesn't want to come with me, eh?
I've got other things to do. I've got other fish to fry.
I know, you've got a wee fish on me. This boy's, no one of this boy's talents.
Fish.
Oh dear, I thought it was a funny smell in your house.
Come on, dogs.
This is a suburb of Roselee. stay at Rosalie in Stirling.
Stirling and Perth.
In Perth. West Australia.
Stirling and
Stirling and Perth, I know there'll be a few Scottish folk writing in to complain.
You Stirling folk have said, no it's not.
Yeah, you can't say that, like. Benji and Lucy want to fight with every neighbourhood dog. This is one very salubrious neighbourhood. A lot of these houses change out of, not a lot of change out of $1 million or $2 million, some of these buildings. I'm amazed actually at how salubrious the area is and there's no such thing as security. I mean, if this was Los Angeles or somewhere in America, there'd be armed guards floating all about the place.
Seriously, there'd be armed guards everywhere.
And this is Paisley would be in the rank housing estate, mate.
Okay. Doggies. Doggies. Come on, doggy.
This, ladies and gentlemen, still in... Did you see the name of this place is again, Roy?
Rosalie.
Rosalie. Still in Rosalie here in Stirling, outside Perth, West Australia, and this is Cotoneaster Ramble, or as the locals like to call it, Cotoneaster Ramble. Is that right, mate?
That's right, that's
Yeah.
what it is.
So what do you think the boys from Paisley would call it? Foxbar Crescent?
Cotton. Something or other.
Cotton buds?
Cotton something or other.
Cotton socks? Oh, thunder mountains again there. Hell of a problem
Yeah,
with
it's been a rain today, Vicky.
yes, you never know, you never know. It's been a very quick couple of days here in Perth. I'm glad I did it. It's been a bit of a slog getting over here from Brisbane, but you know, met quite a few of the local flies as well. We take a couple of email addresses and keep in touch with them. Still flying about the place.
There's no flies on you.
Oh, no flies on me. And here we are, back at the Chateau Betty George, and we're off to the airport in about an hour and a half. Couple of right.
That's about 1 hour and 34 minutes.
And there are 34 minutes till we go to the airport. Okay, I'll go with that. Since this man is the driver, I ain't arguing. Great couple of days, great fun. Well, 11:43, and queuing here at the departure gates at the domestic terminal at Perth Airport. Just had a very enjoyable 2 or 3 days with Roy and Betty, and now it's off to Melbourne. It's the one thing I hate about holidays, is having to say cheerio to people whose company you've enjoyed. So to Roy and Betty, thanks again. I'll see you soon. Take care.